Hello everybody and welcome, and in this episode we will show you a rather large gate which looks impressive. We will show you a rather large river that runs through the centre of the town. We will show you churches that are dotted all over the place because we are in the town that was called the Queen of the Hanseatic League. And yes, we left Rendsburg in some pretty inclement weather for the drive all the way down to a rather lovely town by the name of Lübeck. Hello everybody and welcome to sunny Lübeck, which as you can see is not very sunny at all. But quite a bit of rain thus far. Apparently this is the iconic photo. Oh well. Rather nice piece of the river on a grey day. And if I swing round quickly, there you go. Danke.
Wonky one in the middle.
Yeah, there's some pretty wonky buildings about here.
The gate was built 1470.
In the centre of Lübeck. Nice and quiet. There's a bit on that. Yes, it's not been the best day. We had some quite heavy rain this morning, only for about an hour. And we are parked up at the City Park. Again, we tend to do it. We did go to one in the centre of Lübeck, which we were told, and we'd read a couple of reviews, that it was, I think, €60 per day, and it was free to park overnight. And then when we got there, what do you know, it's €20 a day just to park, no services. So we headed out to the City Park, which meant getting the bus in this morning. No idea whose it is, but it's quite a big. It's all the way up there. And then there's a lot of arms type houses along here, and another spire over there. And there's a rather nice lion. No idea. So, we found out who it was. It's Henry the Lion. There's a good lion on top of him. And it is a good lion on top of there, not a fox or wolf or anything else, like I've said. This was Henry III, the Duke of Saxony. Or wolf. Bit more of the old cathedral over there. Pretty nice. Very nice. Northern Gate.
I think it's called
Well, whatever it is.
Berg Tor.
We were going to go into here and go all the way up to the observation tower at the top, but their lift had broken and it was 300 steps, so we settled on a cup of coffee.